Let's get right into it. Number 10. Medical training fake skin. Medical training companies make rubber pads that feel exactly like human skin, and they'll just send you one if you ask nicely. These are for doctors and nurses to practice stitching, inserting needles, and making incisions without touching a real person. The material is so accurate, surgeons practice on it before operations. It feels, cuts, and stitches just like real tissue. Some versions have fake veins for practicing injections, which is much better than practicing on a real arm. Companies like Syndaver and Simulab make these and often send free samples to students, teachers, or anyone who emails and asks. The small samples feel disturbingly real. The texture, the give, the bounce, all engineered to mimic human tissue so perfectly, your brain panics a little when you hold it. Some versions even bleed fake blood when you cut them, because apparently regular fake skin wasn't unsettling enough. Number 9. Flawed jewelry stones. Walk into any jewelry store and ask to see their reject pile. Yes, they have one. Jewelers collect chipped gemstones, cracked diamonds, and cloudy sapphires that are too flawed to sell. They just sit in a box in the back. And if you just ask, many jewelers will hand them over for free or next to nothing. Flawed diamonds are used as industrial abrasives. The same material in a diamond ring is in cutting tools and sandpaper, so your free reject could technically help you sand a deck. Cloudy sapphires and chipped rubies make great additions to resin art projects. They still have color and sparkle, they just have a tiny crack running through them like the rest of us. It's like the Japanese art of wabi-sabi, finding beauty in imperfection. Your free cracked gemstone isn't flawed, it's philosophically sophisticated. The best places to ask are small, independent jewelers, not big chains. Be friendly, explain your project, and ask for stones they'd otherwise discard. Most will appreciate giving their rejects a second life. Number 8. Doomsday Prepper Water. There are websites run by Doomsday Preppers that will mail you free water, not regular water. This is emergency ration water in a foil pouch that stays fresh for 50 years. This water will still be good to drink in 2076. Your milk goes bad in a week. This water outlives your mortgage. These pouches are designed for the moment everything goes wrong. Society collapses, the power grid dies, the world ends. The water is sealed off from air, light, and time, like a little astronaut waiting for its mission. Emergency supply companies send free samples because they want you to trust their product. They need you to know the packet won't burst, and the water won't taste like metal when it matters most. You just go to their website, fill out a sample request form, and a few days later a pouch shows up in your mailbox, right next to your pizza coupons. Your neighbor got a birthday card. You got water for when civilization ends. Number 7. Chemical safety data binders. Chemical supply companies will mail you giant safety booklets for free. They won't even ask for a reason. These are safety data sheets, or SDS guides. Every chemical has one, and if you ask, companies will mail you a printed guide on how to survive exposure to their most terrifying products. We're talking cyanide, chlorine gas, stuff that makes your body decide to stop being a body. The guides detail exactly what happens when these chemicals enter your system, step by step. It's like a recipe where the end result is your cells forgetting how to produce energy. Factories, labs, and emergency responders need this information instantly. If there's a spill, there's no time to Google it. You need the answer on the wall, but anyone can request them. Email a company for their SDS documentation, and they'll often send it, sometimes in a thick, heavy binder. It's the most unsettling gift you can get in a plain envelope. Number 6. Bulletproof Kevlar swatches. Bulletproof vest companies will mail you a little square of their material if you ask. It's about the size of a coaster. It looks and feels like thick fabric, but if you shoot it, the bullet stops dead. The material is Kevlar, made of tightly woven fibers stronger than steel by weight. When a bullet hits it, the fibers catch it and spread the force outward, like dropping a rock into a net instead of onto a hard floor. The bullet just stops. That little square on your desk can stop a bullet. You cannot. The same bullet that bounces off that fabric would go straight through you like you're made of nothing, which, compared to Kevlar, you basically are. Companies like DuPont and other body armor manufacturers send swatches to researchers, students, or anyone curious. They want people to understand the engineering. People use them for school projects, product testing, or just as a desk ornament reminding them the universe is indifferent to their survival. It's completely free. Number 5. Blocks of dry ice. Ice cream companies are sitting on mountains of dry ice, and they throw it away every single day. When distributors for Haagen-Dazs or Ben & Jerry's receive products, they're packed in massive blocks of dry ice. Once the shipment is in their commercial freezers, the dry ice is useless. They can't store or return it, so it just sits there, sublimating away. If you go to a distribution warehouse and ask politely, they'll often give it to you for free. You're doing them a favor. Dry ice isn't regular ice. It's frozen carbon dioxide at minus 109 degrees Fahrenheit. Your home freezer is about 0. This stuff makes your freezer look like a warm hug. If you grab it with your bare hands, you'll get severe frostbite in seconds. Not minutes, seconds. Drop a chunk into your sink with warm water, and it turns into a bubbling witch's cauldron. Dense white fog pours over the sides and crawls across your floor. Your cat will lose its mind. You can also use it to keep groceries cold during a power outage, far longer than regular ice. Number 4. Uncorrected book proofs. Publishers give away something called advance reader copies, or ARCs. These are early versions of books printed before anyone has fixed the mistakes. And there are a lot of mistakes. We're talking typos, weird formatting. Publishers need early reviews, so they print these rough versions and send them to bloggers, librarians, and reviewers to generate word of mouth, but they almost always print more than they need, and the extras just sit there. You can email publishers and ask to be on their ARC list. If you have a book-related social media account, or just leave good reviews online, they'll often send them to you. Sites like NetGalley or Edelweiss are matchmaking services for this. You sign up, request books, and publishers approve you for free. ARCs themselves can be huge collector's items. An advance reader copy of a famous book like Harry Potter, complete with original unedited typos, is worth a fortune. And originally, someone just got it in the mail for free. Number 3. Retired casino dice. Casinos swap out their dice every single day. Not every week, not every month, every single day. Because cheaters are insane. People have figured out how to shave microscopic fractions of a millimeter off a die to make certain numbers land more often. To counteract this, every 24 hours, those dice get pulled off the craps table forever. Many casinos, like the Bellagio or Caesar's Palace, will give you old dice for free if you ask at the cage. Others sell them for $1 in the gift shop. The retired dice are marked, usually with a small drilled hole, to ensure they can't be snuck back onto a live table. That drilled hole is a certificate of authenticity. It means that exact piece of plastic sat on a real high-stakes table. Real money was won and lost on it. Some guy probably threw it and won his mortgage payment. Some other guy threw it and lost his car. That is a ton of history packed into a tiny red cube you can take home for free. Number 2. Lego missing pieces. So you're building the Millennium Falcon. You're almost 3,000 pieces in. You reach into the bag, and one tiny gray connector piece is completely missing. And just like that, your entire afternoon is ruined. Lego has a system where you can request missing or broken pieces directly from them, completely free. Go to Lego's official website, find the Bricks and Pieces section, and enter the set and piece number. They'll find it in their massive warehouse and ship it to you. No arguing, no proof of purchase, no explaining yourself to a customer service robot for 45 minutes. People use this to replace pieces that snapped in half, got sucked up by a vacuum, or were swallowed by a dog. No questions asked. The reason is smart. A set with a missing piece is a frustrated customer. A complete set is a happy customer who will buy another expensive set, so they eat the shipping cost of one tiny plastic brick to keep you loyal for life. Number 1. IKEA spare parts. You know that feeling when you're assembling an IKEA bed at 11 p.m. Everything is going miraculously well. You're a Scandinavian furniture genius. Then you look at the carpet. There is one single wooden dowel left over, and you have no idea where it goes. Now flip that. You're almost done building a bookshelf, and you realize you're one screw short. The whole thing wobbles like a newborn deer. Most people just live with the wobble forever. But IKEA has a completely free spare parts program. Walk into any IKEA, go to customer service, and ask for missing hardware. Screws, bolts, dowels, those weird cam locks, all of it is free. No receipt needed, no proof of purchase. You just ask. They have huge bins of spare parts in store for this. If they don't have your piece, you can order it from their website using the part number from the manual, and they'll mail it to you for free. IKEA expects people to lose parts. The program is part of their business model. That one cam lock standing between you and a mental breakdown, they knew you'd drop it under the fridge. They planned for it. So next time your dresser is short one vital bolt, don't just stare at it sadly for 6 months. Ask for the exact part and walk away with it for free. That's all for today. I'll be making similar videos in the future. Subscribe to see them.